Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs. Now we are gonna discuss in detail regarding the freshers openings for Cognizant company. Cognizant in 2021 it was recruiting 23,000 people from campuses. That too, it is of off campus or on campus. And right now we have a off campus related one where you can apply. I will give the link in the description. You can go ahead and do this off campus, how we have to apply and where you need to apply. I'll go in detail regarding this. AMCAT is the one which is providing the cognizant related openings where you can see the details. The eligibility criteria to apply for this job is if you are from the batch 2020, either you are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, and MS Software Engineer, any degree students are eligible for applying for this job. And as we see, minimum of 60% of your academics are present in all the 10th, inter, diploma, UG, and PG. No areas should be present in your education. If you have any gaps in the education, it should have a maximum of 2 years, not more than that. And we discuss the minimum of 60% aggregate pursue in your degree. CGAP, a 60% of aggregate should be present. Strong written and communication skills are needed. Any Indian nationals are eligible to apply for this job, and you can able to relocate for anywhere in India, work in shifts or domain. That will be helpful for you. And the designation they were looking for is IT programmer analyst training. They'll be providing a training and then they'll be recruiting you. Initial compensation, that means 4 lakhs per annum is the package that they are providing for you. Selection process is online assessment. Later on, we have a virtual interviews. If you want to apply, below are the skills, 11 skills that are provided by the Cognizant team. That is Python, .NET, AngularJS, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Selenium, Azure, UiPath, Java, Pega, SQL. If you have any knowledge in any of these, and you are very confident, then you can apply for these jobs. And if you want to apply for this job, you need to click this link. Then a page will be open to fill the details regarding this. That is, you have to fill the roll number of your college, like we'll be having a roll number, right? And the first name, last name, mobile number, gender, also the email ID, date of birth, and nationality. School, 10th school and the regarding 10th marks and pass year, percentage. If you are diploma or an intermediate, you can fill those details and with your percentage also. And if you are a graduate, then you need to fill those details regarding here. And you have to fill the permanent address related to this. And later on, if you have any areas, you need to provide those numbers. If not, it will be good. And you have to provide the PAN card number, and you have to say for which particular skill you are trying to apply for this job. And also you have to prepare a resume for this, and you have to fill this resume in this particular one. Then you can submit it. Later on, you will be getting an assessment, and after that you will be having an interview. Once you are cleared, you will be having a package of 4 lakhs per annum in the initial stage, and you will be located all over the India, especially mostly in Hyderabad and Bangalore is the preferred one. So all the best for your thing. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for your time. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.